Hey, in this video I will show you how to install the Flow plugin in Adobe After Effects. So Flow is a free plugin that makes easing and animation curves much easier to control. The setup only takes a few minutes if you follow these steps correctly. So first, open your browser and search for AE Scripts and AE Plugin Manager app download. Hit enter and click on the link that says AE Scripts plus AE Plugin Manager app. Now, when you click this link, it will take you to this page where you'll have to scroll down and click on download for Windows. Now, after you start the download, a file with this will start downloading onto your PC. You'll have to simply download it and install the exe file that you will get. After the download gets finished, you'll have to navigate to your downloads folder and you will see a folder like this. You'll have to simply install it. Then you will see an app that will look something like this. That will say AE scripts plus AE plugins. Now, simply start the application and it will open up on your PC and it is going to look something like this. You can log into your AE scripts account. After the installation gets finished and you download the manager app, you'll have to simply make sure you close After Effects completely, launch the manager app, log into your AE scripts account and select Flow from your list of tools. So click on this icon and choose Flow from your tools list. Then press install button that you will see at the right and launch After Effects after the installation gets finished and find Flow under Windows, Extensions and Flow. So after you find Flow, you can easily use it. Now, if you want to download it via the ZXP and UXP installer, you can simply close After Effects, launch the installer, that is this application, log into your AE Scripts account in your browser, navigate to My Downloads and Licenses section of your dashboard and download Flow from your AE Scripts and AE plugin account via the download link in the right column. After you download it, unzip the download package and open the AE Scripts application, click File and click Open. Then simply choose Flow ZXP that you would have downloaded from AE Scripts, then click Open. After you do this, it will instantly get installed. So proceed with the installation process, launch After Effects and find Flow under Windows, Extension and Flow. And if you need to enter a license, this can also be found in the My Downloads and Licenses section of your dashboard on aescript.com. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.